Hello friends, welcome to another video on my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss a stock which is ICICI Securities. Short form is ISEC. Okay, so the stock has been in consolidation for a long time now, and we will study the fragments of this consolidation one by one, starting from the listing of the stock which was around in 2018. All right, so the stock formed a pattern which is cup and handle with the resistance around as you can see around 500 level could be we can say was the resistance level. So this was the cup part, this was the cup part and this was the handle, right? So this is a cup and handle pattern, and once this was formed, there was another consolidation phase. This is a weekly time frame chart of the ISEC. All right, so once this consolidation happened over the resistance, then the target was achieved. All right, so if we look at the major move theory, so this comes to be around 280, we can say 284 rupees. All right, so if I show you from here, so the target was achieved. All right, so the target of the cup and handle pattern was achieved. So this was the first consolidation phase of the stock, which almost was from 2018 till 2021. Okay, and now the stock has been forming another cup and handle. All right, so if you look at this, so this is the cup part and this is the handle part. So there are sometimes variations in these patterns. They do not look very similar, because here you can see the cup was a very deep, but here the cup is not deep, but there is consolidation. Okay, so this is the cup part and this is the handle part. So for some people this could be a double bottom thing, first bottom and second bottom, and then again here first bottom and second bottom. Anyway, so the depth of this cup and handle pattern is 467 rupees with the resistance around 900 rupees. All right, so you can see this latest weekly bar. Okay, so this is closing above the resistance and with very good volumes. So I think the stock is going to break out from this resistance, multi-year resistance. So this is a multi-year resistance. You can see it was formed in around 2021 and it's been almost 4 years. All right, so the depth of this cup was 467 rupees, and similarly we can place our targets at 467 rupees from this resistance, which happened to be 1351 rupees. Now if you look at this pattern as a whole, okay, so there are two cup and handles now. This one is the first and this one is the second. All right, so all in all, if we look at this overall consolidation, it comes to be around of 2500 days, which is a psychological number. All right, so if a stock has been consolidating for over 2500 days, you must expect bigger rallies from the stock once these consolidation resistances are taken out. All right, so let's move this, and we can let this stay. Okay, so now if you look at this pattern overall, I will remove these drawings so you can see clearly another pattern that is forming on a bigger time frame. All right, okay, so now that I have removed all the drawings, you can see that this is a sort of a ascending triangle pattern. So I'll just shift it from there to over here. All right, so you can see this is a ascending triangle. In ascending triangle, there are higher lows forming. Okay, so like this is a low. All right, then this low, another low, another higher low, this is an almost equal low, and then again another higher low. So when these all higher lows are forming and there is a horizontal resistance over the price, so the pattern comes out to be ascending triangle. All right, So the depth of this ascending triangle pattern is around 700 rupees. So therefore, if we if we take out this resistance, that means then our next target as per this bigger pattern comes out to be 700 rupees, which comes to around to be 1600 rupees. Okay, so the depth of this pattern would be our ascending triangle target, which is 1600 rupees. So there are two targets that the stock will very likely hit in coming weeks and months. I am expecting a very sharp rally from this stock because the market sentiment is very fearful and bearish, and these are the times when you should actually get into the market. Okay, when the market is already flying and everybody is like, get into these stocks, oh I missed this one, I missed this one, that is the time when you have to book profits. Okay, not get into new positions. But when there is fear, when there is fear globally and even on a country basis, that is the time to actually buy. When everybody is telling you to get your money out of the banks and do this and that, get all the resources and this and that, all the panicky situations that make you fear for your life, those are the time when the hedge funds and all these big money people, they all get into the markets. They put their money into the markets because those are the lowest prices they can get stocks at. Okay, so that is a psychological play. They've been doing it for decades and decades. They know this game very well. Okay, so during all this consolidation of 2500 days, you can see the volume bars have been forming bigger. Okay, so there have been significant volume bars. So that means it shows that the stock has been in consolidation. All right, so there is not a single very big rally, very prominent rally that you could say that yeah, the stock is overvalued something. The stock is in consolidation from this range. Okay, so sometimes this happens, the stock stays in one range and then it shifts into the second range. Okay, so this is the first range and then this is the second range, and once these two ranges break out, okay, so that is when the stock actually shows a beautiful rally. So this is ICICI Securities, and I think it is going to perform very well in coming weeks and months. And there is another tip that I would like to give to my friends and all the people that are watching this video, that if you make a list of 10 stocks of such stocks where there is a good consolidation pattern and there are volumes and the fundamentals of the stock are also very great. If I tell you the stock has recently posted the highest ever profits, okay, so they started from 89 crores to 1900 crore. So that is around 20x, 20 times they have increased their profits, but the stock has not moved yet. All right, so such kind of stocks, they are a great opportunity and you rarely get them. So if you get a list of 10 such stocks, instead of putting your money into a FD or into a mutual fund, this is the best way to invest your money. Not going all in one stock, but rather 10 to 15 stocks. Such stocks that have good volumes, good fundamental results, and good technical patterns. Alright, so that's it for ISEC, and I hope I find another good stock, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, so keep learning. This is the only way to make your money grow in a better way. Alright, thank you.